Hello! Today we are going to use if statements to make a gradebook show letter grades. Here we have our existing gradebook. We have our grade that they earned, the possible grade, and what the letter grade would be, and our grade range, which is over here. Now we are going to use this if statement. It's just going to be a standard if statement, but it will be extended. So we're going to do logic and hit the if statement. And then our logic test is going to be our cell with our possible or with the earned grade, which is C3 in our case. We're going to divide that one by the possible grade, which is D3. We'll move that a little bit. And now we're going to do greater than or equal to 90%, which is 0.9, and that's going to come up as it is an A. And then I like to hit OK, make sure it works. Okay, it worked. They have 48 points they got out of 50, which is an A. And then now we're going to add to this to make sure if they have a B, a C, a D, or an F. The best way I find is to go back into the formula bar up on top, where we are now, and now after the A, we're going to type in a comma and do another if statement, because this is if it's saying it's false, this part. We're going to now put another parentheses, and we're going to do the logic test again. So C3 divide by D4 D3, and that would be greater than or equal to 0.8 for 80%. Now we'll put a comma. We'll put this into parentheses, or quotations, and that'll get you if it's a B. Now you'll do another comma. This is going to say if that one's false, it's going to go to another one. If, comma, parentheses, C3 divide by C4 greater than or equal to 0.7, comma, quotation marks, C, and then we'll do another comma and another if statement with a parenthesis. Now it's our logic test again, as you can tell on the top right here. And that's going to give us another C3 divided by C4. Not C4, D3. It's going to be greater than or equal to 0.6 for 60%. Another comma, quotation, and that will come back saying that they've gotten a D. Another comma, another if statement. Now logic test again. C3 divided by C, D3 greater than, now we're actually up to the F, so we'll change the direction. We'll say if it's less than 0.60, anything below that will come back as an F. And now we have to make sure we close all our parentheses. One too many. Okay. Now we got this long long if statement. Instead of typing it over and over again for all these, we'll just drag and drop. And we'll have a gap, so it's going to come back saying that this one is invalid. All we have to do for here is go to Home and hit Clear All. And it'll clear everything there. And now it's showing that they have an operational letters, and it gives you the final grade since we put it with the final down here.